Today I am going to discuss with you module 2 of chapter 6 animating text and objects. In this module your first topic is adding transition effects. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to others during the slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to a single slide as well as to all the slides. Follow these steps to add transition effects. For that, you need to select the slide on which you want to apply the transition. Then click on the Transition tab. Transition to this slide group appear on the ribbon. Click on the More drop-down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the display choices. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Select the effect option in the transition to this slide group to select an effect for the chosen transition. Then click on the drop down arrow of the sound option in the timing group and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on the preview button present at the extreme left on the ribbon. Observe its effects. Specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box in the timing group. Select the on mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by clicking the mouse. Click on the after checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can also specify the slide advance timing in the spine box. Then click on the Apply to All button to add the selected effect on all the slides. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slides only. Open the Slideshow tab and click on the From Beginning button. This slide will be displayed from the beginning along with all the applied transition effects. Let's know more. The Effect option button in the animation group gives different direction option to each transition. Tips. You can also apply transition effect in a slide shorter view. Open the Transition tab and select desired slide transition effects. Let's understand how to insert sound clips. Music or sound effect can add a completely new dimension to any presentation. You can add sound in the form of music or special effect to give importance to certain points. Sound files can be added from the files stored on your computer. You can even record your own sound or can also add music from a CD. That's enough for today. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, children.